Skipbo app, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to play all the cards in your stockpile to the central piles. The top card of your stockpile is face up so all the players can see it. There are 4 central piles that cards are played to in ascending order from 1 to 12. All piles must start with a 1, and once a pile reaches 12, it is removed and a new pile may be started in its place. Each player has 4 personal discard piles. Only the top card in each pile is allowed to be played to the center piles. A skipbo is a wild that can represent any number. Tap any one of your playable cards to play it to the correct center pile. You can also drag cards to play them. If a card isn't playable, then you cannot play it. To play a skipbo, you must manually indicate which pile it plays to. If you play all the cards in your hand, then you immediately draw 5 new cards and continue your turn. To end your turn, you must discard 1 card from your hand by dragging it to any discard pile. Cards in discard piles can be discarded in any order you choose. They don't need to be sequential. At the start of your turn, you will draw back up to 5 cards. In online play, each player has a 20-second time limit. Play a card to reset the time. If the time runs out, then a random card from your hand will be discarded automatically, ending your turn. The first player to play all the cards in their stockpile wins and earns the gold. Gold is used for playing other players online and levels in the adventure mode. In the adventure mode, you play a little different. The goal is to clear cards from the top of the screen with a limited number of face-down cards. As you progress, more rules and features will slowly be unlocked to keep you challenged. Completing a level earns you gold. There are also special events you can participate in as well. Check out the link in the description for where you can play for free.